Jennie C. Jones is interested in the intersection between visual art and music, and she looks at that intersection through paintings, drawings, and sound installations. Her work is very pared down. She has a very distilled color palette and use of materials. Her works invite close looking and deep contemplation. Her early work was conceptual sculpture that she made from found materials that are associated with listening and the production of music, like acoustical paneling and architectural felt, which are sound-absorbing materials. By doing so, she actually modifies the acoustics of the environment in which her paintings exist. Jones also uses color as a metaphor for sound. Oftentimes in her work she'll use bright hues like red, which create a reverberation behind the paintings, and she refers to this as a hum. For our exhibition at the Pulitzer, Jones has created a site-responsive work titled Point of Perspective. The work is an ambitiously scaled sculpture that exists in the same sort of visual vocabulary as her paintings, but translates it into three-dimensional form. When Jennie first visited the Pulitzer, the first thing that she noticed is Ellsworth Kelly's blue-black at the far end of the gallery. And while she's a huge admirer of Kelly's work, she also felt its presence very strongly in the room and wondered what it might be like to, just for a moment, eclipse the work with her own sculpture. Her first curated exhibition, Other Octaves, Jennie has brought together nearly 20 artists, and all of these artists have inspired her work in various ways. But I think what unites each of the artists downstairs in Jennie's mind is the ways in which they have a radicality to their practice. They've turned away from the established norms of the period by experimenting with medium, form, or color. And all of the works invite viewers to look very closely and to have intimate exchange with the artworks. So I hope visitors take away an appreciation for Jones's practice. There's a number of works that she produced very recently in the last year. You can get a great sense for where she is with her paintings right now, but also her thoughtfulness in relationship to site, the ways in which she's calling our attention to the architecture and the collection of the Pulitzer. And I also hope that viewers come away with a broadened understanding of art history and music from the work that Jennie has done as a curator.